Not easy stuff to work with. Don't move. Really could use to sharpen this saw. There we go. Left-handed. Four and 2, 3 and 1. Tail, pin, tail, pin. Yeah, those. And this too much. It does need to come back a bit more. So now close on. Into the line. Oop. Do these actually go together? Right off the saw. Do they actually go together? And the answer is no. No, they do not. Oh, so close. So close. I don't want to force that. this will let me see how far down that goes. So I want it to be about 1/4 inch into the bowl. So it's actually a little more than 1/4 inch in. That's acceptable. So that one and that one are where I want them to be. Okay, that's a tight one. I need to work on that one last. We're going to come in and go. Cleaning up the super glue on the back. Do these grooves line up? Not quite, actually. Hair off kilter, and I want to fix it. So. Still relatively tight. Cool. So one last one to cut. Well, I guess that works. Ooh, pretty. Actually, let me do that first. Now the question is it accurate? Make sure this is accurate. Wow, it actually still is accurate. Okay. Ooh, no it's not. Good there, good there. Play the wiggle wiggle game. Five, 4, 2, bottom. This is a gappy joint. It is not my best. So we're going to add a little bit extra to help everything along. Don't need no excuse of an ultra. Can you give me a hand for a moment? That one on the corner, that one. Oop. It seems like that'll work. Got this one glue bubble giving me pains. Yay, tear out. Yeah. That should work. And here we go. So there you have it, pentagonal bowl. Now if you'd like to see more detail, I have a whole how-to channel where I actually go into depth in this and actually talk through what I'm doing, as well as I have a video of making the predecessor to this one that didn't work out right. This is my 7th attempt making one, and I've been doing it over 7 years. So I'm glad to finally have one that works. And I really like how this came out. This is surprisingly happy. It looks a lot better than I expected.
So I might try another attempt sometime in the future just for the fun of it. This was a great learning experience, a way to try something new and really get out of the box and make a bowl instead. I really like this. So if you want to see the videos on the how-to version as well as the I didn't quite make it version, and I have a live video going into making compound angle dovetails as well. I'll leave links to those down below. So I hope you like this. If you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, things I could have learned or done better, please let me know those down in the comments down below. I do read through all of those, and that means a lot. So thank you for that. It helps the channel grow and gets people in front of us, and it means more than I can say. But if you want to go even farther and make me smile even bigger, there are a bunch of names over here. Those are all patrons. Without patrons, we wouldn't exist. Between Patreon and membership here on YouTube, clicking the join button down below or the thank you button, we wouldn't exist. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about those, you know what to do. We do have special perks for both patrons and members, and that means more than I can say. I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. I've had a few people ask me, why would I make a pentagonal bowl? And to be honest, this is actually the official bowl of the military. Yeah, you might call this a bowl, but I would not go bowling with it.